The Fafsa offers you the option to import federal tax information directly from the IRS. You and your parent should be able to use the IRS data retrieval tool to transfer your tax return information to your Fafsa application within 2 to 3 weeks of electronically filing your taxes, or within 8 to 11 weeks if you filed a paper tax return. However, if you still owe taxes to the IRS, your tax information will not be available and you will not be able to use the IRS data retrieval tool until after the balance has been paid. This tutorial assumes that you have already submitted a Fafsa and is meant to help you and your parents update your Fafsa application using the online IRS data retrieval tool. If you have not yet filed a Fafsa, we recommend that you watch our 7 easy steps to the Fafsa tutorial available on YouTube. Let's get started. First, navigate to Fafsa on the web at www.fafsa.ed.gov and select Login. Next, you will enter your name, Social Security number, and date of birth. Select Next. If you have previously submitted an application, you will have the option to make corrections or updates to your Fafsa application. Select Make Fafsa Corrections. Next, enter your PIN and password. Then, navigate to the Financial Information section. Next, update your parents' filing status from Will File to Already Completed. If you previously indicated that their filing status is already completed, you will not need to update this. Your parents will then be presented with a series of questions that determine their eligibility to use the tool. Parents, if you select No to each of the questions, a message will display that says, "Based on your response, we recommend that you, the parents, transfer your information from the IRS into this Fafsa." Even though you will see this message, it is possible your tax information may not be available and you will not be able to use the IRS data retrieval tool. How and when you filed your taxes can affect whether your tax return information is available. For helpful information regarding when your tax information would be available, select the blue hyperlink that states how you filed your taxes. You'll then be directed to a chart that details various tax filing scenarios and provides estimates regarding when you can use the IRS data retrieval tool. If your tax information is available, select Link to the IRS to transfer your tax information using the IRS data retrieval tool after completing this section. Next, you will be notified that you are leaving Fafsa on the web. Select OK. Once on the IRS website, enter the requested information. Be sure that you enter all information exactly as it appears on your tax return. Select Submit. If the IRS is able to validate your identification, your IRS tax information will display. Select Transfer Now, and then return to the Fafsa website using the links provided. If you, the student, filed taxes, you may proceed to Student Tax Information in the Financial Information section of the Fafsa and repeat these same steps to retrieve your tax information using the IRS data retrieval tool. Once you've done that, continue to the Sign and Submit section and submit your corrections. It's as simple as that. If your file is selected for verification, your school can use this data to confirm that you submitted accurate information in lieu of requesting tax transcripts. Paper copies of tax returns are no longer sufficient for verification purposes. Save time and submit your data securely using the IRS data retrieval tool.